So these is the tools I'm gonna use to take the passenger light from a Honda Accord 2019. So I got my lights, I got another light here, a DeWalt drill, and a ratchet I'm gonna use, an extension cord, and stay tuned. So that's the one I'm gonna take. Let me get more light into this. Hey, I just want to talk about some situation that I went through. I just changed this, the whole entire light for a Honda 2019 Accord. And I guess previous owners, whoever did this, didn't do a good job. I was actually changing it, so I already changed it. This is the new one. And let me show you this is the bad one. So I want to show you something what they did. So to actually hold, so this one was getting moisture inside of this one. So that's probably the reason it doesn't work. But actually, what they did, whoever installed it, put a screw on it. Look at that. They actually put a screw into it to hold the light. And then on the base of the other one, they put a screw right there. Let me see if you can see that. You see that part right there where it holds the light? They put another screw there. So that's where the water was coming through. The water was coming through this screw that somebody installed there, the previous owner of the damn dealership. So you guys got to be careful out there. And then, to top everything off, I just got brand new tires for this car. Can you guys tell me what's missing in here? I took it to a shop locally. Can you guys tell me what is missing in here? I'm missing a damn screw. They forgot to install a damn screw on my car. And these people, they say they were very professionals, top of the line, but they missed a screw. Oh my God. Brand new tires, and I'm missing a screw. And then the damn bumper, they put a screw, and then they put a screw on the headlight. Can you believe that? Oh. But I'm going to show you the results, how the light came out. So now look at the light. I got it fixed, I got it installed, and it works perfect. After all, the car is back to normal. But look at all the stuff that I went through. Stay tuned for part 2.